Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by shutting off the outdoor unit breaker at the main panel. Confirm power is dead with a multimeter across the compressor leads and capacitor terminals. Put on insulated gloves and safety glasses before touching any components. Use an insulated discharge resistor or a purpose-built tool to bleed the capacitor down slowly and safely. Note the capacitor label and rating. For example, 45/5 micro F at 440 VAC is common in many units. Take clear photos of the capacitor wiring and label each lead with masking tape. Use a screwdriver with insulated handle only after confirming the unit is de-energized. Remove the mounting screws and gently extract the old capacitor from its bracket. Buy a replacement that matches the micro F and VAC exactly. For example, 45/5 micro F, 440 VAC dual-run types. Install the new capacitor. Tighten the mounting clamp and reconnect each wire to its labeled terminal. With the new capacitor installed, restore the outdoor unit breaker at the panel and stand clear. Watch and listen for a normal compressor start and for any unusual humming noises. Use a multimeter or capacitance meter to verify the new capacitor reads within tolerance. If the compressor continues to struggle or the unit trips breakers, shut power off immediately and contact a licensed HVAC technician. Dispose of the old capacitor at a proper recycling facility or hazardous waste center.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.